Hi guys, in this video I'd like to show you how you can create online course videos and training videos to better communicate with your customers after they have purchased your product. As I mentioned in a previous video, we live in a video-first world, which means video is now the primary way people want to learn, shop, and interact online. So when it comes to creating online courses to share your information with the world, or making training videos to explain your product or service, video is the best and most effective medium you can use. And the good news is that Vidnami makes creating course videos and training videos incredibly quick and easy. Let me show you how this works. To get started, I'll click the Create a New Video button. And then I'll select the Course Training category. Next, I'll choose a template I like. For this example, let's go with the viral yellow template. I'll give my video a title, and then this is where I can copy and paste the script for my video. For example, if you have PDF-based course material, you can simply copy and paste the text from one of your lessons, like this. Now I'll come down and click the Create Scenes button. Vidnami will then analyze the text of your script and use artificial intelligence to select video clips for each of your scenes. Now, because this video is for an online course, I want to upload an intro clip that plays before my content starts. To do this, I'll come across here and click the Add Video Clip icon, which allows me to insert a standalone video clip at the beginning of my video, in between any of my scenes, or at the end of my video. I can then find my intro clip on my computer and upload it into my media library over here. If I want to use this same intro clip for a future video, it will be right here in my media library. And if your intro video has its own music track, you can click this button to make sure that the background music of your video doesn't play over your intro soundtrack. You can then spend a few minutes reviewing and tweaking your scenes. When you're happy with your visuals, click this button to move to the voice option. Once again, you have 4 options for adding a voice track to your video. You can create a music-only video, or use the auto voice feature to convert your text to speech. There are 14 different voices to choose from, and these can be great for creating quick internal training videos. Here's an example of the British female voice, Isla.
Hi, my name is Isla and I would love to read the script for your video. So sit back, relax, and I'll do all the hard work for you.
You can also record your own voice in the app, one sentence at a time. Or upload a pre-recorded voice track, which is what I'll do for this example. I can then move on to the preview screen. Here I can add a watermark, choose a background music track, and I'm done. In the space of a few minutes, we've just transformed our written course content into a professional video. Let's now watch part of the online course video we just created.
Hi guys, and welcome to video 5 of the Fit Mom Nutrition module. In this video, I want to share with you 3 of my top eating tips. These simple tips will help you to stop stressing out about food and allow you to put your healthy eating plan on autopilot. Specifically, we'll be covering...
So as you can see, Vidnami is the quickest and easiest way to create professional videos for your online courses. It is also a great way to create training videos to explain your product or service to your new customers.